Let's make fig leaves for two. To make this drink, we are going to make it in the order that Crosby Gaige does specify. So that means I'm going to start with 1 jigger, which is an old-timey measuring unit that is 1.5 ounces, and that's going to be a sweet vermouth. 1.5 ounces, sweet vermouth, 45 milliliters, 1 jigger. Get all those units, there'll be a test later. Half a jigger of your white rum. Since a jigger is 1.5 milliliters, that's going to be 3/4 of an, since a jigger is 1.5 ounces, that's going to be, half a jigger is then going to be 3/4 of an ounce of your white rum, which is 22.5 milliliters. I hate having to do math in my head. Next, juice of half a lime. Crosby Gaige does give a specific measurement for a full lemon, which is 1.5 ounces. So half of a lemon would be 3/4 of an ounce. He doesn't give specific measurements for a lime, so I'm going to assume it's the same as a lemon, and so that's going to be 3/4 of an ounce of your lime juice, which is what you put in your drink. Lime juice, 3/4 of an ounce, 22.5 milliliters. Long way to get there. And finally, some Angostura bitters. Total of 2 dashes, so that's 1, and then 1 for the gnome. We're going to add some ice, and we're going to give this a shake. There is no glass listed in the book. It said choose the appropriate glassware. I'm using an Anderson Ancestral Coupe. You can use any glass that fits this amount of liquid, which is 3 1/3 ounces. That fits perfectly in my coupe. And I'm going to double strain into the glass. And that is a beautiful color. And no garnish is listed, so I'll leave it up to you, you elite bartenders, to put a garnish on this. I'm not going to put one. So there you have it. Fig leaves for two. Drink with good spirits.